How to remove Instagram from Account Center. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile icon on the lower corner. Now, we just have to click on these three lines on the upper corner and click on Account Center. This is where our Facebook and Instagram are intertwined. So we just have to scroll down and tap on Accounts. After tapping on Accounts, we will be able to see every account that we have on Net or on our Account Center. So these are the accounts from Facebook to Instagram that is linked and intertwined with one another. So in order for us to remove an Instagram account to Account Center, all we have to do is to tap on the Remove button right here and then click on Remove Account. You just have to hit Continue and then click on Yes, remove the username. So if we finish removing this account to our Account Center, we will no longer have access to the information of this account as well as the post, password, and other essential information of this account. So you just have to click on Yes, remove this username. Now it has been removed. So that's how to remove Instagram from Account Center. Hope we helped.